Here is how to create a lead capture form in HoneyBook, step by step. Begin in HoneyBook and open the lead capture area. From there, select lead forms, so you are looking at the section where inquiry forms are created and managed. This is the starting point for building a form that collects information from potential clients before they contact you directly. Next, click Create New, then choose Inquiry Form. This opens the form builder and gives you the base layout for a lead capture form. If you have other form types available, make sure Inquiry Form is the one you select before moving on. You will then add the questions you want clients to answer, review the fields that appear, and edit any existing questions as needed. You can also add the questions you want included in the form so the information matches your process. Keep the wording clear and relevant to the kind of inquiry you expect to receive. Once the questions are set the way you want, click Next to continue. On the next screen, add the services you want to include in the lead form. This allows clients to indicate what they are interested in when they submit their inquiry. Select the services that fit this form and confirm that the list reflects what you want to offer through this lead capture page. After that, click Next. Now enter a name for the form. Choose a name that helps you recognize it later inside your account, especially if you plan to create more than one form for different services or audiences. You can also add a thumbnail if you want the form to display with an image. Then configure the confirmation email settings. This is where you decide what happens after someone submits the form. So review the confirmation details carefully and make sure the message settings match what you want new leads to receive. When those details are in place, click Review Form to preview the full lead capture form. This preview gives you a chance to look at the form the way a client will see it, read through each question, check the included services, and confirm that the form name, thumbnail, and confirmation email settings are all in line with what you intended. If you notice anything that needs adjustment, make those final changes now. This is the last point to refine the wording, review the service options, or update any part of the setup before the form goes live. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to make the form live and available for use. Your lead capture inquiry form in HoneyBook is now published and live.